What's up, guys? Here with another video today. We actually have a Ford, believe it or not. I don't believe it myself, but let's check it out, what we got going on. This little fine unit right here. 6.0, runs pretty good. I charged the AC system last week, so it's blowing cold. He's in for fuel filters and front brakes and rotors, so we're gonna be doing a video on that as well. But right now we're doing the fuel filter. This is the one on the bottom side, so I have it taken out right now, new O-ring put on. You'll need a 36 millimeter and a 6 millimeter Allen for the drain plug. So it came with this illustration, which I'm going to use because the drive shaft is in the way underneath it, so it's kind of hard to see what we got going on. But it's actually like this on the frame rail going this way. So your drain plug is your 6 mil. Undo that first and then tighten it back up, not too tight. It's made of brass, so it's super soft. And then you can undo the filter, which it'll be sitting in there like that. And if you have a flex head ratchet like I do, it really helps get in there. So you'll pull that off, pull the filter out. It'll be kind of stuck in there. And then, yeah, you just have your O-ring and put it back on. What it doesn't tell you, though, is you have this little tab right there for a weep hole on the other side here. So this is going to go straight up. So you're going to want to stick this in, kind of tilt it a little, turn it, and then rotate it until you feel it go into place. And then tighten it back up to, it says 18.5 foot-pounds, and then 45 inch-pounds on the drain plug. I don't think anybody could get a torque wrench on the drain plug because of the drive shaft, so just do it. I mean, 45 inch-pounds is nothing. So the one that's on there now is too tight, so it sucks. But yeah, and 18.5 foot-pounds on the cap. You should be good. This is the part number. We actually got a Motorcraft form here. FD 4616. Your kit comes with the cap O-ring for the bottom and the top, and then this is your top side filter. I'm going to show the top side filter here in a minute. I have it loosened, but I can't really, it's hard to get a good shot at what's going on with this one, so I just wanted to do it like this and then show the illustration right here. And then in a second I'll set the camera up and I'll show the top side filter. So alright, so right here is your top side fuel filter. So we get little stool here, and we'll take this bad boy out. So you just need a 1/2 inch extension right here, or you can use a socket, but this is what we had. So it comes off pretty easy. Let me get a rag, carry this over to the bench. Alright, so that's that. Let's see, that's what we got right here. Filter matches. Nice little illustration here on these too. So you got your filter, your O-ring on the cap, and that's it. Let's see if I can get this bad boy off one-handed. Nailed it. Got that off. Get your new one. Set this down really quick. Get some oil on it. See if we can get this on there. And go all the way. It's got a little groove right in there. Get it down in there like that. See if I have anything to cut this. And of course I don't. So this side goes in there. This is extremely hard to do one-handed. Let's see here. There we go. Now we're locked in. So now we take this. I don't know how the heck I had this thing sitting in here so perfect before, but I did. I'll have to work. You can still see it at the bottom. Run that back in. Let me go look at the torque real quick on that. Adapter is stuck to my 36 mil socket, so it says 10.3. Run that down. As you can see, not very much there, so no need to crank it down. Well, there you have it. That is the fuel filters on a 6.0 Powerstroke. So be sure to like and subscribe, guys. I'm about to do the video on the brakes and rotors like we got right here, so that'll be pretty fun getting that stuff turned on. Again, FD 4616 Motorcraft part number. Got them installed. This thing should be running like a top now. But thanks, guys. Peace out.